Start. Steps in this regard were taken by the respondent plaintiff, however, when the said register was produced before the court, it was found that the relevant pages of the register were torn off and the handwriting and fingerprint expert who was present in the court, could not succeed in getting the photograph of the thumb impression of plaintiff and verify it. Stop. The learned trial court as such has drawn adverse inference against the appellants defendants as appellants defendants had failed to produce the original sale deed before the court and had taken different stand. Stop. Para. It is next submitted by learned counsel for respondent that the appellants defendants had moved an application under Order 41, Rule 27 CPC seeking permission to file certified copy of the judgment passed by the criminal court instituted by plaintiff, which was rejected on the ground, inter alia, that the judgment passed in the criminal case and the findings recorded thereon are not binding in the civil proceedings. Stop. The said order was not challenged before any court and has become final and, as such, the appellants defendants shall not be permitted to raise objection regarding the said order. Stop. Para. Learned senior advocate submits that in the case of Supra, the apex court has observed that the application through which additional evidence sought to be filed, if at the time of hearing, the court is of the opinion that certain documentary evidence is required for proper adjudication, and the court may permit the concerned party to adduce additional evidence, but in the present case, the application that was filed for filing additional evidence, that is, certified copy of the judgment passed by the Chief Judicial Magistrate and the lower appellate court, after considering the aforesaid case law, rejected the application and fixed the another date for final arguments as the appeal was listed for hearing. Stop. Para. It is submitted that plaintiff had filed a suit for cancellation of sale deed. Stop. The plaintiff had filed certified copy of the sale deed and had made an application for direction to the defendant to produce the original sale deed which was with the defendant. Stop. They also moved an application for summoning of relevant record from the office of sub-registrar in order to demonstrate that the alleged sale deed was not executed by him, rather it was got executed by putting some impostor. Stop. Thus, he had discharged his burden. Stop. Despite the orders passed by the court for production of original sale deed, the defendant did not produce it on one or other pretext. Stop. Para. It is contended that in view of the law laid down by the apex court, wherein it has been held that even if, the burden of proof does not lie on a party, the court may draw an adverse inference, if the party withholds an important document in his possession which can throw light on the facts at issue. Stop. This court has held that the burden of proof lies on the defendant in whose favor the sale deed was executed. Stop. Para. Learned senior advocate submits that the burden of proof in the present case, was rightly shifted on the appellants defendants. Stop. It is submitted that in case of an illiterate person, the court has held that the burden of proof would be shifted reference of consolidation. Stop. Para. Learned senior advocate contends that the judgment of the criminal court has not been relied by the trial court or the first appellate court. Stop. The observations made by the trial court are on the basis of the statement of plaintiff made before the criminal court under section 200 CRPC, which was on record. Stop. Para. It is also contended by learned senior advocate that so far as the application under Order 41, Rule 27 CPC is concerned, only judgment of criminal court was sought to be placed on record, there was no prayer for placing statement of clerk. Stop. Moreover, the matter is still sub judice as appeal against the said judgment by the criminal court has been admitted, as such, the judgment of the criminal court has no evidentiary value. Stop.